पूरा पंप कर रहा है organ. Heart is pumping, and visualize a pink crystal butterfly vibrating in your heart. Visualize a pink crystal butterfly vibrating in your heart. Visualize the pink crystal butterfly vibrating in your heart and feel the vibrations going through all the 3 yotas to your arterial system. All the arteries which are thin walled and they carry pure blood, oxygenated blood to each part of your body. And if you lay down all the arteries and veins in a straight line, they are equivalent to circumference of this earth. We have so many arteries, veins, and nadis that if you lay down like a straight line, they are equivalent to circumference of the earth. So just to visualize all the pure blood is going, and it is coming back through the veins to the heart, and heart is pumping, and all the emotions are released. All the negative emotions are released, all those with whom we have any grievance, so we forgive them and seek for forgiveness from those whom we have ever hurt. So heart is pumping through its full capacity, and all the blockages are removed, and functioning of heart is proper. So concentrate on it. Concentrate on your heart, the 2 auricles, the 2 ventricles, and the 3 aorta carrying pure blood through the arterial system with the oxygen and the hemoglobin, and reaching all tissues of each organ. So visualize whole arterial system, which is red in color, and the venous system, which is like thick walled veins, which carry impure blood. So it is coming back to your heart. So whole cycle, whole circulatory system is cleansed thoroughly, and all the blockages have been removed. Wherever there were blockages, they have been dissolved by chanting of mantra. They have been dissolved, the clots. And there is smooth flow of blood. There is smooth flow of blood. So heal. All your cholesterol come to normal. Your lipid profile has come to normal. Your high density cholesterol, your LDL, all have come to normal levels. Your triglycerides have come to normal. Visualize all the important LDL, HDL, triglycerides, cholesterol, all have come back to normal. Without ecosprin, without delisprin, without Delgipa. All have come back to normal. These are my prayers for Kankari uncle and for Apurjan and all of you, all of us sitting here. So that the heart, the main pumping organ, is rejuvenated, revitalized, and it is seat of emotions. And bhakti is governed by heart. Bhaktamar, faith-based healing is governed by heart. So all the feelings, all the trust we have in Lord Acharya Manatungacharya and faith healing may recover us, all of us, from our all ailments, disease, and may we be healthy, fit and fine. May Kankaria uncle be healthy, fit and fine. So these are my prayers. Om Bhagavato Shantikarani Rog Kasht Charok Shamnam Shantim Kurkuro Swaha. Om Reem Bhagavate Hai Bhi Haraye Namah. Om Namo Bhagavati Shatropatrao Shantikarani Rog Kasht Charok Shamnam Shantim Kurkuro Swaha. Om Reem Bhagavate Hai Bhi Haraye. Om Namo Namyod Atte Matte Shudra Vikatte Vithat Pida Sat Pida Sar रूपवान. जितनी भी वॉल्स पे डिपॉजिट हो गए हैं, जितने भी हार्ट के आर्टरीज पे डिपॉजिट हो गए हैं, वो सब डिपॉजिट डिसॉल्व हो जाए. डिसॉल्व, just like ballooning, just like fitting of stunts. And wherever there is shrinkage in the vessels, wherever there is shrinkage, may that be expanded. And there's smooth flow of blood throughout the arterial system, venous system, and whole of circulatory system is cleansed. Smooth flow of blood. Smooth flow of blood. All blockages dissolved. All shrinkages released. All vessels coming to normal. Your cholesterol, your lipid profile, all triglycerides, LDL, HDL, all coming to normal. Without the statin drug, you do not require statin drug. It is already proven that billions of dollars of statin drug was used, and then they said it is not good for heart. So without the chemicals, may your heart be fully functioning. And we pray for good health of Vivek uncle. So I can feel there is a circulation going around. You know, when Vivek uncle had gone first time to Siddharthan Shikharji, and Pushpaji Sethi, who runs Bhaktambar Clinic, Bhaktambar trainer, she gave him healing and she moved her finger in clockwise position. And Vivek uncle could feel that clockwise movement in his stomach. He could move that clockwise movement in his stomach. So he invited us to Lucknow Cancer Institute for Bhaktambar program 3 days. So may Vivek uncle be healed of his disease. And all of us pray for health of Manisha's. Alpashrutam Shutvatam Parihasudham Tadbhaktirev Mukhri Kurute Balan Mam Yat Kokilah Kil Madhav Madhuram Virauti Tachamr Charu Kalikani. On all people sitting here, may they realize their goals, may they manifest whatever they wish to. All be risen to higher consciousness. And all be connected to the divine, and divine is showering all the blessings on them. You can feel the cosmic connect between you and the divine. Feel the cosmic connect between yourself and the divine. And divine is pouring that energy, that cosmic energy, which is going through your 7 chakras, and it is bringing them in alignment. Your crown chakra, your third eye chakra, where you get direct downloading from your gurus, from all Muni Arikas. So just focus on your third eye chakra and visualize the direct downloading. From here, you can heal anyone. Focus over here. And just like a laser torch, you are sending those healing vibrations to Kankarya uncle. You are sending those healing vibrations to Apurji, to Vivek uncle, and all others. So direct like laser beam, it is going from your Agya chakra, third eye chakra, to the person who has to receive. So you are healing them, sending that energy. And like laser beam, it is going. And all of them are healed. And they have developed the healing powers within themselves. So if they will chant for anyone, irrespective of caste, creed, they will get results. The more they give healing, the more healing powers are generated. Secret of mastery is repetition. Peggy DeBro says of EMF balancing technique that the more you chant, your electromagnetic field around you, all the blockages will be released, all the nodes in the templates, your sacred heart template, which is diamond shape, from your neck till the abdomen. So all the blockages are removed. All the 5 templates, focus on them and bring them in alignment. Your high heart center, You can focus and feel a spiral sweep of energy in that high heart center, where you can feel the waves moving up like the symbol of infinity. And visualize all that energy has traveled through your body. And now you are giving healing to the Mother Earth with your feet. There are two small chakras below your feet. So you are giving that healing to Mother Earth. 60 centimeters below your feet, you are giving that healing to Mother Earth. 60 centimeters below your feet, you're giving that energy to Mother Earth. Breathe. 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 Shri. Clean. Namaste. 2 minutes silence, focusing on Madhuri Kastya.